In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule your Clickfunnels 2.0 blog post. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to set up your content, and how to schedule it so it goes live automatically at the time you choose. Start from your Clickfunnels dashboard. On the left sidebar, open Site and Blog. From there, select Blog, and then head into the Blog Posts list. This is your hub for creating new posts and managing drafts, so it's the best place to begin. If you're starting from scratch, click New Blog Post to open a fresh editor. If you've already got a draft saved, click the pencil icon next to that draft to continue working on it. Either way, you'll land in the editor where you can build out your post. Set up your content by adding a clear title and writing the body of your post. Insert images where they support the message, and remember to include descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. Assign a category and tags to help organize your blog and make it easier for readers to find related content. In the SEO settings, refine your meta title and description and check the URL slug so it's short, readable, and keyword aligned. Then use the page editor to customize the layout. You can add sections, text blocks, and media to create a clean, scannable structure. Keep paragraphs concise, use headings for clarity, and make sure your featured image is on brand and sized appropriately. Save your work as you go so nothing gets lost. When your content is ready, decide how you want it to go live. In the same editor, look for the Publish area or toggle. You'll see options to keep the post as a draft, publish immediately, or schedule for later. If you're not ready to share it, leave it as a draft and it won't appear on your site. If you need it out right away, choose Publish Immediately. To set it for the future, select Schedule for later. Pick the date and time you want it to publish, then confirm your time zone so the post goes live when you expect. Click Save to lock in your settings. Before you close the editor, use the preview to make sure everything looks right on desktop and mobile. After saving, return to the blog posts list to confirm you see a scheduled status next to the post. If you need to make changes before it goes live, reopen the post, adjust the content, and save again. You can switch it back to draft or update the schedule if necessary. That's it. Your Clickfunnels 2.0 blog post is set to publish exactly when you want.